Are you a buyer out there that's struggling to find a house right now in this limited inventory market? Well, you may not know this, we buy and renovate a lot of houses, and we also do a lot of new construction. So if you've been looking and you're struggling, reach out to us. We may be able to get you in one of our properties that hasn't even hit the market yet, but we're in the process of renovating it. Once the property goes on the market, as you probably well know if you've been out there looking, and it's in certain price ranges, it's going to get a bunch of offers and have a ton of activity. If you're in a situation where you're struggling or you've been looking and you're just striking out, reach out, let us get you a list of the properties we're working on that aren't even on the market, or properties that we're getting ready to build or in the process of building that haven't even been listed yet. Right now, if you're a buyer, there's way more people wanting to buy than there are houses for sale. So it makes it very, very difficult, especially in a lot of price ranges where there's a majority of buyers in the market. So if you're out there and you're looking and you're struggling to find something, even if you're working with another agent, we have no problem paying your agent a commission. Have your agent reach out to us, you reach out to us. If you're not represented, whatever the case is, we can help you get into property because we have a bunch of stuff that's not even on the market, and you have an opportunity to get in it before anyone else. Reach out today and we'll help you buy your next property.